Every institution has a history, a story of its evolution and its grandeur, of its success and participation in civilization progress, of its contributions to nation building, and the manifold ways in which it becomes part of the historic process in a society. Sometimes, an institution itself becomes the history of a nation, of civilization, of the ups and downs in a society. Such institutions do not just become part of the historic process, they create history for societies and nations. They make and they witness the passage of history through land and its people. Zakir Hussain Delhi College is such an institution that stands at the cusp of the history of the subcontinent. Over more than 300 years, it has stood witness to the passage of subcontinent history through the Mughals, the British, and the modern Indian state. Today, Zakir Hussain Delhi College is a proud institution of higher learning under the Government of India, run by the Zakir Hussain Memorial Trust, presided over by the Prime Minister of India.
A hearty welcome to the batch of 2024. It gives me great pleasure to welcome the batch of 2024 to this historic institution, Zakir Hussain Delhi College. Our endeavor is to provide a congenial, harmonious environment for academic growth and enrichment. We make efforts to allow your innate talents to blossom in the rich academic and cultural traditions of this historic college. Our anchors will now take you on a journey that awaits you all. Welcome once again.
Batch of 2024, welcome to Zakir Hussain Delhi College. I am Akshi Sharma from 3rd year BA English Honours, and today I will take you around this campus on the virtual tour. As you are eagerly waiting to visit the college for regular classes in the physical mode, the college has prepared itself with the state-of-its-art facilities to welcome you and help you grow as excellent graduates of the University of Delhi. Come on, let's walk around the campus. As you enter the college, you need to show your ID cards to the guards and get your temperature checked. After showing your vaccination certificates, you need to sanitize your hands. After sanitizing your hands, you are finally inside the campus and ready to explore it. As we move forward, this is the NCC flag station and roll of honor. To your right is the boys' common room, commonly called PCR. This is the place where male students can be at ease. Here is the Canara Bank ZHTC branch, where you can conveniently manage your finances. This, dear girls, is a girls' common room. For the next 3 years, this will be your go-to place when you feel like taking a break or being at peace. Finally, the canteen. From tasty chili potatoes to a hot cup of tea, the canteen has a long menu when you are hungry or otherwise. As we are going ahead, the beautiful garden here is called the Rose Garden. ZHTC no doubt has the best gardens in the entire DU circuit. Here, as you can see, is the national flag, and what you see beyond the flag is our new college building, which is one of the biggest college buildings in DU. Standing tall in front of us is the science block. Let's go in and check the labs now. These are the labs where you will be experimenting and learning. This room here is the medical room for first aid and healthcare. This is also the place where counseling sessions take place. As we go further, here is the Mirza Mahmud Beg Library. The college's library has books of almost all subjects and genres, ranging from most to least popular. Dear students, our college library is one of the biggest and oldest in the university. You can also bring your laptop or books with you and spend some quality time reading, learning, and researching here. Upstairs is the reputed Salman Ghani Hashmi Auditorium. This huge hall is the place where all the major events take place. The windows in front of us are part of the administrative block. We have 4 separate windows. Window number 1 is dedicated to serve BA program students. Window 2 looks after all BA honors students. Window 7 is for the commerce students, and window 9 is where science students go for their work. In case you are in need of any help beyond the window assistance, you should meet the section officer in room number 5, Mr. Ayaz Ahmed, who is very cordial and always helpful. Let's go upstairs in the administrative building and see the college seminar room. This is where you will organize and attend seminars and lectures as part of your course and various co-curricular activities. Now allow me to take you to the most significant office in the college, the principal's office. You may have a chance to visit this place during 3 years of your college time. Here we have the administrative officer whose permission is required to visit the principal. When you enter the principal's office, you should request the receptionist for an appointment with the principal and then wait for your turn. While you wait to meet the principal, spend your time checking these laurels on the wall. This will tell you a lot about some wonderful achievements of our college in the previous years. As you have familiarized yourself with the college, be ready to visit the campus and have a great college experience ahead. Good luck!